I think that there's several things to consider when letting a child on social media. I don't know that there's a great age to start this. I do think that there's several things you want to think about. One, again, the earlier the better, because I think you have a lot more influence as they're younger. The other thing you want to think about is social maturity. How do they do with their friends? Do they make good decisions with their friends? Do they make good friends? Do they pick up on social cues? And if they're doing well in that arena, then maybe we can start transitioning them to having friends online. I do think it's good to start slowly and maybe start with one site. I don't think anything is created evil, right? I think it's all about how we use it. However, there are sites on there that do a better job with privacy settings, that do a better job with blocking, which do a better job just in monitoring things that are posted in general. And so Facebook is a great one. A lot of kids don't like Facebook because they realize their parents are getting on Facebook. But I think that that's a great one to start. Some of those like Instagram or the popular ones do a good job. Two that I'm concerned about they're called Kick Messenger and Ask FM. Not that they're totally terrible, but I do think that there's less monitoring and less privacy settings, and so something to be concerned about if that's one that your child is on frequently. Setting those in no electronic zones where there's just times we turn off the phone. I also think it's so important to monitor. Oftentimes I see parents make the same mistake, which is they either monitor too frequently, so they're constantly seeing what their child is on, or they're not monitoring at all. And so I think it's good to be right in the middle. You're supervising, you're checking in, you're providing consequences, and you're communicating. It's not a if your child is going to make mistakes on social media, it's a when. And I think the urge as a parent is to then deny access to social media. And the analogy I like to use is, you know, if your child is on a bike and they fall down, you don't tell them not to get back on that bike. They get back on, they try, we supervise, and we want to be doing the exact same thing with social media.